don't know what that is. Okay. Let's get to this because, you know. Wait, hold on, let's pause that because I shouldn't be on it right now. Oh, wait, it's my eye. Now we hope. Okay, of course it opened. Close that bad boy. Let's go. Okay. It's not my phone. Let me go. I'm quick with it. Just saw something that I did not want to see. Okay, anyway. Let's fix my hair. Look, I've got somewhere to be later. It's fine. Oh, but that piece looks way too long. Yeah, because it's in the back. Okay. Look at all those pieces from the back. Let's just... Okay, let's just... Okay, that's good. It's perfect. See? Look what I've done. The power of hair cutting. Now there is just a bunch of blonde pieces on the desk. I'm gonna vacuum my floor anyway, so we're just gonna... What'd I do? Nobody saw anything. Hi. We're getting it done. I'm gonna take a photo. Anyway, that was great. We love it. Okay, let's do a little bit of a link. You know how it is? It's a little bit of a link. BEA. Beautiful. Okay. Let's go ahead and do that then. Yeah! Okay. Okay. Where is my camera? Hello? There he is. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go give my mom my phone. Her phone back. Okay. Nice. Okay. So we have these guys who are eating watermelons. They should be anyway. That is a plort collector. I don't have a thing. Okay, well, why am I picking up plorts? Let's not do that. It's fine. Sorry about that. We're fine now. Okay, let's... We've got a lot of chickens. Let's gather a whole bunch of chickens and put them in there. We'll be fine. Oh wait, I don't have my child though. Let's... chat. Okay, let's grab these chickens. A lot of these chickens. Okay, and we're just gonna put them all in there. Tedious work, but it's okay. Oh, you got a lot of chicken in here too. Stony Hill. Oh, this is the kind that they're like. Okay. Okay. So, no, nobody wants me. Okay, let's go explore. Ooh, actually, can I? No. We're gonna get some quartz. Just around. How do I upgrade my stuff? Does anybody know? I upgrade like from 20 to 40, you know. All that jazz. Okay. What codes there are here? To the angular codes. So many little slimes. Okay. So let's see. Where do I upgrade at? Very good question. Hunter slimes. We'll pass. Cube. Chickens and cube berries. What a delight! They're living. Oh my god! I just flew. Okay, we're gonna go. Poofed. We're gonna go to that one place. If you remember last time we played, we got this place unlocked. Pretty blue and pink place. So we're gonna head over here. Get this. We're gonna see if we can try to find that one thing, you know, that we can like. It's gonna be great. So we just want to go this way. And we only have a certain amount of time to play or stream or whatever because I have to leave at 7. It's currently almost 5. Which I only play this game for like an hour or so. Usually. That's mostly because I usually play when I'm very tired, and this game is so calming that it just makes me even more tired. So, what can you do? Not much. Okay, let's go through. I don't know trouble. What am I saying? Okay. Who's flying? Let's see. Okay. Is it very angry? Actually, no, you guys don't look angry. Never mind, I take that back. My bad. Sorry for saying that about you. Where in the world is that one thing at? Back up. Give me back up. Oh, give me back up. could have swore that the thing that I needed was up here, but I guess it's not. I can get you though. Radiant Warm. All new. What do you give me? Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, fair enough. Let's get up here. See what the fuss is about. Cause okay. So I'm trying to find. Oh wait, I'm not even in the right place. Wait, how did I get so far? Now I'm confused. Is this no? What is going on, good sir? I need to like cheat our way up there. Maybe. Maybe not. I don't know. Oh, maybe. How do I get up there? That's a real question. Do I have to like... You just eat that hoe. Okay, let's take you. I'm gonna cry if this works. Like, actually. Okay. No? Maybe I need another one. Get back over here, hoe. Wait, you go. You stay right there. Be back. Good job, estate. Now we need you right there. No. You too. Come back here, ho. Maybe I need to like jump the. Come back. Where are you going? Please don't fall up there. Okay, maybe I need to like. Okay, I need to strategize this. So I need to quickly do that. Grab this one. It doesn't seem like it's working. I'm making a fool out of myself. What can we do? Oh, my nose. Ugh. Okay. Let's go this way. Okay, we're getting somewhere. See, there's that one marker. Honey marker. Type fruit. So it's still all the fruit. What if I like, can I feed him from back here? Is that a thing? What if now I can use that one? I don't even think it's a trick, I just thought of it. Nope, don't eat that. Gotta wait for me to get up there. So if I... Oh, okay. Stealing all your fruits. Okay, let's see. We go... Okay, up here seems a little promising. Maybe I lied. Is there a way for me to get up there, though? I don't have any meat. Oh, I'm sorry. What if I just hit you? No, I don't think that works. Nope. Not today. Okay, let's see. Got a good and a bad side there. Ooh. One in the same. Ask me if I need him. Get him out of my way. These are the games. Do I need my little jetpack? Oh, I'm a genius. Somewhat. So I go from here. There we go. We're gonna do it. Yes. Oh no, come back. Oh no, I missed. Crap, I missed. Oh no, it's gone forever. Oh. Dang it. Okay, well, that should be marked on my map now. It is. Let's see where this stupid thing is. So we need this area unlocked. How can I get that area unlocked? The real question. Okay, let's look at this map again. So we're facing that way. We want to go this way. Like just all around there. Should be somewhere around there then? Maybe? So I'm sorry if my voice sounds weird. I'm currently like, it's very messy and raspy. So I really don't want to talk like that, so. We're going up a notch, for that reason. So if you hear a little rasp, it's fine. You know how it is. Such pretty scene. Water signs? Oh. Just angle and rock signs. Is it up here? I don't think I've been up here yet. The Hunter Fort? Sounds magical. Oh, there it is. How can I get to that? We're gonna get to it. Oh? No, that doesn't work. Slowly maneuver our way over here. It was on that thing right there. jump from there. Oh no, I missed. No, I missed. Excuse me. I don't want to risk it. I throw you over there. What's that? Oh, it's just water. It's just shaders. False alarm. It's just shaders. How do I get up there? Do I have to... Is it jetpack? That would make sense. Wait, if I could jump from there. Where the hell did it go? I need to get there. Strategizing. Ooh. We did it, boys. The question is, can I make that jump? I don't think so. We'll put our little specialties right here. Put them right there. Actually, those break, don't they? Bit awkward. We'll put these bad boys like right down there, along with these. So send over there at. Yep. Nope. Bad idea. Oh, that's okay though. So, oh, wait, Koala, why is my sound alerts not working? I'm so sorry. For some reason, my sound alerts aren't working. Hello. Thank you so much for the follow, Koala. Is that why? We're gonna get to the bottom of this because I am. Usually it works. Okay, that's really weird. That's bothering me. Why doesn't this work? That's so weird. Anyway, hello, Koala. Hello. I hope your day is good. Hope your day is good. Sorry, I'm very tired, so ignore. I've like got the sleepy voice is in check. It's kind of raspy. Kind of forcing it not to be as raspy as it would be, which is taking a lot out of me. So, but I honestly I don't want to sit there and talk like this for the entire stream. It's a bit awkward. Okay, just a little bit. So yeah. I feel like I'm also losing my voice a little bit. Not the best thing that I could do recently. But I guess, what can you do? We're gonna go back and we're gonna feed that monstrosity. Come on. Starve. Don't care. Oh, yes. Bro, the honey rocks larvas look so cool. Hello? Okay, it's facing the other way. It's right up there. Let's see if we can get back up there. Shall we? We shall. Get up here. I remember. We're gonna running start on this. Nothing too serious, you know what I mean? How do I do that though? Yes, there we go. It's working. Why is this actually working? I feel like this is illegal. Oh, dang it. How do you get up there? It's a good question. I do not have the answers. Let's get going with it. I thought that that was just a whole bunch of rock slimes pouring down in that. It definitely worried me for a second there. What's phosphorus? I like it. Okay. Okay, maybe we should go back home now. All the way again. On the right way. That's good. Here we go. Okay, let's wait till our energy thing refills. Cause you know we want to be ready for this. Oh, I love. Oh my god, I can't get over how cute this game is. It's actually so cute. Oh. Let's get back to the ranch. I'm a genius. That's so cute. Okay, let's go put these and sell these bad boys. Jesus. This rock thing sold for 50. There we go. Okay. I'm already getting so tired, and I have somewhere to feed later. Oh my gosh. Pull through, Michael. We could buy a food thingy for this. As, let's just say it's not looking too well. I guess I'm selling them. Looks sick. Okay. That was fun. Eating my pins? Let's go ahead and buy high walls because it's getting a little messy in here. Let's put that with those guys. They'll be fine. We'll also buy a little feeder for the bunny slimes, bunny angular slimes, so we can. I just went through a big circle. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Watch out like this. It's cute. Okay. Casey hasn't sent me anything. It's very upsetting. Oh, we know I know how to upgrade my stuff. This. I need a jetpack. 10 out of... Okay. Okay, from now on, the parts we collect will go into the little cubby. Let's go see how much phosphor stuff we have. Because that is one we need. Put these bad boys up. I am really tired. I was even falling asleep in class today. I am just worn out. Today has been a long and dreadful day. I had an algebra test, which I definitely failed. Actually, I think I got 2 questions right. It's a little less than half of the paper. Any more radiant? Okay, you know what? We're just gonna go to just talking. We're just chatting. Chase some, or making its own crack. What is my marriage profile? Pro. Fair enough. Oh, excuse me. How is Nathan a higher level than me? That bitch. Why is everybody a higher level than me? Okay then. Let's go ahead and do that. Because I am sleepy. I don't know if you can tell, but I am tired. Oh my goodness. Anyway. Please work. Oh my god. There we go. My eyeliner's gonna mess up with me though. That's fine. That's what I say. I'm gonna just keep on repeating that I'm tired because I'm tired. I'm out of it. It's the eye bags. The eyes. I was like, wait, what the heck? Why are they like that? They're like the blush, and then it's just straight up like green. It's probably not green for me, like IRL. On the camera it is, because of saturation. Same with my hair. My hair's not actually this green. It's more blonde. I should do like a sleeping stream. See how long I can sleep for. Oh my goodness. I need like a 20-hour nap. After I get home from this schools thing, I know what I'm doing. Just saying. Okay? I'm going straight to bed. I've already done my Genshin dailies, okay? I'm gonna go straight to bed and I'm gonna sleep for probably... Let's do a little estimate of how long I think I'll sleep. Me personally, I think I'll sleep like 12, 14 hours, which is normal. By the way, I hope you realize if you're watching this and you're like 12, 14 hours, what's going on? Okay, I only stay up half of the day. less than half of the day. So during those 24 hours, I am definitely asleep for at least 15 of them. Unless I'm like really dedicated and it's like, oh yeah, I'm gonna stay up. But me personally, uh, I'm a very tired person and I love sleep. Sleep is, I love sleep, okay? um, I get really tired easily. Like even just like doing some small thing, I'm like, oh, you know what? I could go for a 40-hour nap. And that's just me being a tired person. Like I've always been like that. Like ever since elementary school is when it started. Because I came home and I immediately went to bed right after I got home from school. And ever since then, I've just been sleeping for a while. I think the longest time I've slept was like 20 something hours. Probably like 22, 21. I'm not sure though. I could be wrong. Because I know my average is like 15. Which, whenever I say I've slept for that long, I mean like I might have woken up, but then I went right back to sleep. And I woke up and went right back to sleep. That's what I mean when I say I have slept for so and so. Cause it's just like, what else what else is there to do? Let's be honest. Check Twitter, cause I'm bored. Twitter is my go-to. You didn't hear that? Actually, I don't even know if you heard that. You could have, you might have, you maybe. Anyway, I've been live for about 40, 50 minutes. This thing is so short. I'll do a longer one later. Or if I'm up later, I'll do like a secret little night stream. Yeah. But that's where we're gonna end. Cause again, I'm tired. I just wanna sleep. I'll also do something with the channel points. By the way, we'll do like a first one. Uh, okay, whatever. I don't know what I just. What did I do? I have no clue what I just did, but I did something. Um. Okay. Okay then. Oh. Well, that's where we're gonna end. I'm tired. I'm sleepy. I just wanna go to bed. I gotta stay up for like another 2 hours, so it's gonna be painful. Okay. Well. Bye. 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 We'll do like make a Minecraft stream. Probably go on the Quella SMP later tomorrow, something like that. If I don't stream tonight, I'm probably like working on like the viewer rewards, just stuff like that. Maybe I should just let myself talk normally, which sounds really really weird. I feel like it's a habit of making my voice kind of like higher in a way. Uh, I guess from like really nervous or something that I get like really high pitched. Oh. Well, I'll see you guys later. Bye, 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 bye. I'll put on my goodbye screen. Bye. Have a great day. I hope you have a great day, and don't forget to eat, drink, get some rest. Take care of yourself. Take a shower if you want to. Actually, take a shower. Go take a shower, because guess what? Depending on how long it's been since they took a shower, this is your motivation. As showers are important. They keep you from smelling all stinky, you know? But, yep, I will be going now. Bye!